Hi friends, I'm Chikoo. Today we're going to count colorful balloons all the way to number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great job! You learned number 9. Can you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Look at that big number 9. That's the number 9. Now let's draw the number 9 together. Start with a round circle. Now draw a line down like this. And that's a number 9. Don't forget to subscribe our channel ChikooLand for more fun with me. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.